Ime here, and today I'm talking about how you can get the most value out of your drone. And if your drone is just sitting in the garage not doing anything, just know that you are leaving money on the table. So I want to give you a few tips on what you should think about when it comes to licensing your photos and videos with your drone. Number one, you got to have a portfolio. So I would say try to make at least 3 to 4 30 to 40 second clips of what you can do. Now, these can be a compilation of shots like a sizzle reel or maybe like a 30 to 1 minute, town reel, but you got to have some proof of what you can do before you actually go out and start reaching. Now, I'm probably sure you're wondering, like, what kind of shots do I get? So in terms of shots, my favorite drone go-to shots are just simply flying forward, looking top down, and then a hyperlapse. I think a diversity of those kind of shots just shows a depth of a city, and it gives you just really unique perspectives to be able to work with. Summer is right around the corner, and I want you to get the most value out of your drone. Summer is obviously a really popular time to fly, so keep these things in mind when you're going out to tell your story and create UGC content. And remember, when you are not using your drone, you are leaving money on the table. So safe flying and stay creative.